Hey there, it's Lauren from Danks Emporium coming at you with a new strain review. Today I'm going to be smoking on some Strawberry Cough Rosin by Pioneer Nuggets. Pioneer Nuggets was established in December of 2013 and all their flower is grown indoor and hand trimmed with love. Strawberry Cough is a sativa strain known for its smooth berry flavor and clear-headed effects, according to Leafly. Opening this package, my nose is already filled with wonderful, sweet strawberry fields. Like, this smells exactly like a strawberry patch. Oh my gosh. For nose, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 stars. This smells so good, guys. Ugh. Their packaging is great. This is a prime package, ladies and gentlemen. 5 out of 5 stars for the packaging. Looking at this concentrate, it's got a darker brown color to it, which can be a little scary sometimes, but this consistency is ideal, I feel like. And for that reason, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 stars on appearance and consistency. Strawberry fields forever. Doesn't taste as much as it smelled. Oh, all right, maybe the aftertaste does. Yeah, that's some tasty stuff. At first I was like kind of bummed out. I was like, dang it, it doesn't taste like strawberry fields. It doesn't taste like strawberries. Now after, and it's just kind of sitting and resonating, definitely has that sweet strawberry flavor to it. And I have to give it a 4 out of 5 stars on that flavor. And the smoke is really smooth, like super smooth. I didn't expect it to be that smooth. Like for a second, it gave that little like tickle in the back of my throat that I'm like, eh. That makes me want to cough, but then super smooth, guys. So I'm gonna give that a 4 out of 5 stars on the harshness. This strawberry cough makes me feel friendly and light and airy, uplifting for sure. I feel like I could go on a road trip and like, just hang out with my friends. You'll sing some music together. So for effect, it's official. It's getting a 5. So overall, guys, I'm gonna give Strawberry Cough by Diosa Verde a 4.7 out of 5 stars. The smell was wonderful. The look was a bit standoffish, but the consistency was right where I like it. And it tastes great, feels great. You can find out more about Pioneer Nuggets via pioneernuggets.com or their social media, and I'll leave their info down below. I'm Lauren from Danks Emporium. Be sure to give us your opinion and thoughts in the comments, and if there are strains or brands you want us to review, make sure you hit us up at Danks Wonder on Twitter and Snapchat, or at Danks Wonder 3.0 on Instagram. We're also doing a giveaway soon of an awesome bong, so make sure you're commenting, subscribing, and liking our videos for a chance to win. And always, live higher.